Sorry, no. So, there you go.
What we've done with this part of the project is to use 3D laser scanning technology. And we've selected 3 items. The real objects are in the case, and they've been selected partly because they're really challenging and because they're interesting. The piece on the left is a couple of sherds which between them have got a basketry impression on them. Those are Iron Age sherds. The piece in the middle is an absolute enigma. It's Bronze Age, it's matted cattle hair, a woolen cord, and also very small plaits made of horsehair. And the piece that's the smallest is the oldest. It's Neolithic, so it's about 5,000 years old, and it's a sherd with cloth impressions on it. And we simply don't have cloth from Neolithic Britain surviving. So what the computer has been able to do is recreate the object and do a 3D print so that people can handle and feel the texture on the surface. And we've also been able to ask the computer to very cleverly take an impression which people can then feel the patterns of the original Neolithic cloth. That will also form the basis for an attempt to recreate the cloth. So it has both presentation issues and also is of research interest. And with all of these, there are other possibilities. It opens it up to visually impaired people. And with this sort of piece now, I could take that to a professional basket maker and we could look at whether this could now be interpreted as an oval basket with particular kinds of joining in techniques here. And she could work up a recreation. And we could look at a technology for which there just isn't the surviving evidence. We've also made the pieces that are a direct comparison to some of the other technologies we've got on show today. And this is a cast of the Falkirk tartan, which was also the subject of the Haptex mouse. And it's got a very clear twill structure, which could be felt now by a blind person, but is also quite clear when people pick it up and play with it. Babies have enjoyed feeling this object. And we've also got a piece recreated as the 2-tone pattern for comparison, and we've been encouraging people to pick that up, put it against their cheek, tell me whether they think it's scratchy. And again, kids have really loved that. They've also been interested in seeing things like a basket. And it doesn't seem to matter that they're feeling things that were once soft but are now hard. What matters is that they can engage their sense of touch in a museum context.
That's good. Very good.